The race is on to find a coronavirus vaccine that's safe and effective. Scientists all around the world are running trials, including some here in Pittsburgh. Dr. Maria Simbra takes a look at what some study participants are saying about the vaccine and the potential side effects.
When a vaccine against the novel coronavirus comes out, what should you be prepared for?
We don't want any surprises with these vaccines.
In clinical trials, 10 to 20% had side effects.
They've noticed some side effects that are a little bit more than they expected. They're seeing headache, low-grade fever to moderate fever of 100 to 101. They're seeing a lot of muscle aches and soreness. It is transient for the most part. They haven't seen any severe adverse events.
A variety of vaccines made in different ways by different companies all had similar side effects.
The components of the vaccine in order to stimulate the immune response are also, basically causing a reaction. As far as we can tell right now, it seems to be a very safe vaccine, and they've actually elicited antibody responses. That suggests that it's also an effective vaccine.
In studies of some of the potential vaccines, researchers dropped the highest dose because of side effects. In one case, fevers sent one study participant to the hospital.
That's pretty much what some of these earlier phase trials are designed to do. They're to do dosing and determine what dosing is truly safe and effective, yet not causing any sort of adverse event like a hospitalization.
The larger studies, soon to start, will give the bigger picture on how often side effects happen across the population.
That really shows you statistically, because you have enough people of diverse backgrounds.
It will be important for us to be upfront with people about potential and real side effects of these vaccines.
You don't want them to think that they got infected or they're super sick.
How safe is it? How effective is it? Where can I get it? How much is it going to cost me? Are my friends getting it? All of those are the things that we'll need to know as decision makers.
I think it may be a little bit of a hard push in the beginning, but I also do believe that the only way we're going to effectively stop this is to vaccinate. We're not seeing it really go away by itself.
Managing expectations will play an important role. I'm Dr. Maria Simbra, KDKA News.